at the Tauranga crossing on our little road trip to Auckland, and they have a little booth set up for Santa. Hi, Teddy! Boo boo! We are approaching our hotel, and little guy is not happy at all, but we're gonna go check in and feed him here. We've been to this hotel before COVID, so we'll see what changes they have made. Frida Kahlo. We're almost there. We are right here, but we made it to our hotel, sort of. We are at the 4-point Sheraton, and little guy is not having it. And we have a ton of stuff, and they may have upgraded us, so we'll see how things go. Check out our hotel room, bud. They gave you a little crib. Oh my goodness. To our hotel, it's a Sheraton 4 Points in Auckland, and here I am. Right here we have a little luggage rack and an ironing board. What's on this side? A mirror and a... Oh, there's a tea kettle and coffee. What else do they have here? They have a laundry bag and random junk. Nothing really. It's that empty drawer and a mini fridge. They got us two water bottles, a nice big bed, and our junk. And in the bathroom they have a shower with shampoo and whatnot. There's the toilet, teepee, basic amenities, and glasses. That's it. So here's our view from our hotel room. We get to see people's apartments.
Yeah, it's not raining super hard, but we are going to be pretty wet by the time we get back.
I'm fine with that.
How's these guys doing? Whoa. Whoa.
So we had a really good night at the 4 Point Sheraton. We haven't checked out yet. I'm just going to go get some breakfast or coffee. Brian's with little Teddy in the room. He's falling asleep, so we're just going to stay till checkout time. And getting ready to check out of our hotel. Well, Teddy's first hotel. And yeah. At Aotea Square. And they have this Lego huge Christmas ornament thingamajiggy. And we're just gonna hang around. Yeah. This one has little ice cream cone and random little things on it. It's like a summer themed one. That one's a New Zealand themed one.
Okay, so here we are, Aotea Square.
Yeah.
Aotea, yeah. And we have a little Lego Christmas display. So I don't really know what the difference here is between these, or if they might be the same.
This one has like the rocky
But
ball, like sand stuff.
yeah, but I think they might have a lot of the same ornaments. Like there's the present on top there, or whatever, or it's cake or something. There's a plane on that one over there. What do we got? Seashells, planes. What do we got here? What do we got?
That one has a kiwi and a pohutukawa.
Yeah.
And
This one here is like at the beach. Oh man. Okay. Alright, Theo. What do you think? I don't know. What do you think?
he's like, I'm hot.
He's like, I don't know what's going on. Too bright.
He's smiling though. Just left Sheraton 4 Points, and we are on our way to Boko.